There are 10 things I want to just leave with you, but 10 things you should do before turning your skill set and idea into an online course. So number one, you can research a particular market. So whatever your idea is, whatever your skill set is, whatever you are proficient in, you can research that particular market, because there are a lot of people that want to learn what you are good at. So if you're good at sewing, there's a market for that. There's people that want to learn how to sew. Let's say the proficiency table is from 1 to 10. You may not be at a 10, but you may be at a 5. So how can you capitalize on that? So since you're at a 5, just on the low end, you're right in the middle. There are people that are barely at 1, maybe at 0, from 0 to 10. Maybe they are at 0, maybe they're at 1, where you're at 5. When it comes to sewing, you can do something. You can make a dress, you can make a suit, you can make a tie, you can make a scarf or something. You can make a blanket or something. You're at a 5, you're at a 6. What you can do is create an online course curriculum for those that are at level 0, for those that are at level 1, for those that are at level 2 or 3, because you're at a 5. You may not be at the 10 yet. And while you are teaching them, because if you can learn a thing, you can do a thing. And if you can do a thing, you can teach a thing. And so since you got a few years under your belt or more when it comes to sewing, you can teach these individuals that are at level 1 or level 2 trying to get to a level 5. And as you begin to teach them and as you begin to bring them where you are, you're learning and growing too. And so you're moving up the scale. You're getting at a 6 because you want to learn more. So the more you teach, the more you want to learn. What you're learning how to become even more proficient at what you do. You're trying to become more proficient at your craft. And so that is how you're able to do it. And just not sewing when it comes to motivational speaking, or maybe you are a beautician, you want to teach people how to do hair, or maybe you are a barber, you're trying to teach people how to cut hair, how to line people up, or something of that. I mean, it can be anything. Maybe you're good at taking care of animals and you want to teach people how to take care of animals. Maybe you're a health coach, or you're a health geek and you want to teach people how to become more healthy. I mean, it's endless possibilities when it comes to this thing. All you have to do is do number one, research the market, find people that are already interested in what you're good at to ensure that there's a demand for your course that you create. If you want to participate in this e-learning industry, look at similar courses that are already available and see what they offer and how they are structured. So that's number one. Number two, define your target audience. Define it. Who are you creating the course for? Is it for motivational speakers? Is it for new entrepreneurs? Is it for new people that are trying to learn how to sew? Where are they at on their journey? Are they new? Are they in the middle? I mean, where are they at? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your course, content, and marketing efforts. That's number two. Number three, create an outline of your course. Break your content down into manageable chunks and organize it in a logical sequence. Number four, determine the format for your course. Will it be a video based, written, or a combination of both? You want to provide your course for people in the way where it's palatable, where it's easy to digest, because you're going to be dealing with people that have different learning capabilities. Everybody may not watch a video. They may consume their content by writing. So you want to have a little bit of both to accommodate people's learning curve, if you will. That's number 4. Number 5, assemble any material you would need, such as slides, worksheets, or additional resources. Number 6, record or write your course content. Consider using a microphone like this here. This is a Blue Yeti mic that you can get on Amazon. Number 7, edit and revise your course content as needed. Number 8, choose a platform to host your course, whether it's Udemy. You can Google these particular names. You got Udemy, you have Teachable, you have Kajabi, ClickFunnels. I'm very familiar with them. That's number 8. Number 9, create a marketing plan. Don't just put your course out there and think people are going to get it. What I've learned is this. You should have a marketing plan, and I'm not going to get too much deep into that, but you should have a marketing plan before you put your course out there. These are the things that a lot of entrepreneurs are doing. Test and refine. This is number 10. Test and refine your course. Consider offering value as it relates to the transformation that you're going to provide for your clients. These are 10 things that you may want to consider. I think this would be something that you can actually take and really sit back and really think about it. You know, make sure you watch this or listen to this episode again so you can kind of get these notes if you're a note taker. Of course, this is going to be part 1. Part 1. If you like this episode, you're going to like the next episode where we're going to be deep diving into digital entrepreneurship versus entrepreneurship. And what does that mean? Are they the same? Are they different? What does that mean? And we're going to tackle that in the next episode.